Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Are you looking for the settings icon in Outlook? Its location can be a bit tricky because it changes depending on whether you are using Outlook on the web or the desktop application. Let's make it simple. If you are using Outlook on the web, like Outlook.com or Outlook through Microsoft 365 in your browser, look for a gear icon. This icon usually sits in the top right corner of your screen. It looks like a small cogwheel. Clicking this gear will open a quick settings panel. Here you can change themes, density, and other common preferences. For more advanced options, you might need to click View All Outlook Settings at the bottom of that panel. Now, if you are using the Outlook desktop application on your computer, the main settings are typically found under the File tab. Click File in the top left corner of the Outlook window. Then, on the left-hand menu that appears, you will see Options. Click Options to open the comprehensive Outlook options window. This is where you can customize almost everything about your Outlook experience, from mail setup to calendar and add-ins. Sometimes, newer versions of the desktop app might have a simplified of settings button directly on the ribbon, also often represented by a gear. However, the File Options path is the most consistent for full control. The exact look of the gear icon or the settings button can vary slightly with different updates and versions of Outlook. Just keep an eye out for that familiar cogwheel shape.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.